1978 Lincoln Continental. She got a set of 20-inch spokes and Vogues, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels. She has the 460 cubic inch 7.5 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid, lower doors are solid. Interior is absolutely beautiful. Paint is in driver quality condition. In my opinion, it's a solid 6.5. She has the hideaway headlights. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. Deck lid. Trunk nice and clean. Interior's in good shape. She got power windows, power locks. Seats nice and clean. Headliner. Back seat. Package tray. Check out the dash. She got a CB radio from factory. Mileage reads a little over 71,000. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the big block 460 cubic inch 7.5 liter V8, backed by a 3-speed automatic, power steering, hydro boost brakes, AC. Let's start her up. Make sure y'all go and visit rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. You don't wanna miss out on this one. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.